Hi everybody! Welcome to my channel. This is Elizabeth with Petals and Parchment. I am so excited to tell you about this collaboration that I'm doing with the amazing Rose from Wild Rose Bohemian. It's a Nutcracker themed collaboration, you guys, and we're calling it Sugarplum Stories. So to get ready for this spectacular event, we wanted to do a little announcement and tell you what it's all about. But first I'll do a little flip through and show you the pages of the kit. So take a look. Okay, that was my half of the kit. What do you guys think? Pretty great, right? I really love the Nutcracker. Like, ever since I was a child, I used to watch this claymation animated cartoon called the Nutcracker Fantasy. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever seen it. I used to watch it every single year at Christmas time, and when I was about 10 years old, my best friend took me to see the Nutcracker Ballet for the first time during Christmas time. It was so magical, and I truly fell in love with the ballet and the Nutcracker even more than I already did. And about 20 years after that, we actually ended up going to see it again together at Christmas time, and I just love it so much, you guys. I really poured all of my love into making this kit, and I really hope you love it as much as I do. So be sure to pop over to Rose's YouTube channel to see her half of the kit. It is so incredibly beautiful. I'm so excited. I can hardly stand it. So we have this really amazing lineup of incredibly talented creators. I have to pinch myself, you guys. I still can't believe it's real. Oh my gosh, all of our design teams participating, and we have some guest designers I'm so excited to tell you about. We have Suzanne from Nonstop Paper Crafts joining us. We have Pat from Petruska Papers. We have Cara Renee from Be Reborn. We have, oh my gosh, you guys, Rachel from Rach and Bella Crafts. I'm so excited. Thank you everyone for participating. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I can hardly stand it. To see a full list of all of the creators, you're going to want to go to our link tree, which is down in the description. And what is this event all about? Well, in addition to this amazing kit that Rose and I have created, we're also giving you freebies. So many freebies. Freebies galore! There's so many freebies! And we have a YouTube hop, so all of the creators are going to show you amazing ways to use this kit. And you guys, we have a game. We have a game! So this is the amazing Rose's idea. This is the Nutcracker Magic Quest game, you guys. And so you're going to get all these game pieces, and they're going to, you cut them out, and then each creator on the YouTube hop is going to tell you what their game piece is. And then you just are going to paste them onto a game board that we give you, and put them in the correct order for your chance to win prizes. So many prizes. You can win a year's membership to Rose's membership. You can win a year-long membership to my membership. You can win free kits. So many cool freebies happening, so you'll definitely want to participate in this Nutcracker Magic Quest game. It is so much fun. And then, did I mention freebies? Well, for watching this video, I'm going to give you a freebie to keep all of your little ephemera pieces in. This is a Nutcracker ephemera box using some pages that I created. This page is from the kit. This page is the freebie. I'll show it to you right now. And then just for you guys for watching this video and getting super excited with me, I created a backing page for it too. But when you get the kit, then you can just print whatever backing page you like on it and assemble this as the inside of the box or the outside, whichever you like. But it does come with the 2 sheets here. So yeah, that's your freebie just for watching. Be sure to grab that in the description below this video. So when is all of this amazingness happening, you say? Well, it all kicks off November 1st through the 20th. So we've got a few more days to go. And to get you really excited, Rose and I are each offering a freebie. My freebie is this ephemera box, and Rose has a beautiful freebie of some paper ornaments that you want to go check out that match her kit. And as if all of that wasn't amazing enough, the kits are going to be in our shops for 30% off, you guys, until the end of the collaboration on the 20th. So make sure you head to our Ko-fi or Etsy shops and pick up the kit for a really sweet discount and get ready to play along. You'll find all the links that you need in the description below. Head over to Rose's channel, get your freebie from her, check out her half of the kit, which is just so incredibly gorgeous. And anytime that you post a make, be sure to use the hashtag Sugarplum Stories so that you can follow along with all of the creators and use that in your posts for a chance to win those really incredible prizes. And let's see what else. Head over to the link tree and see who all is participating. We have so many talented people. I just cannot believe it. Thank you so much to everyone who's agreed to do this with us. It's our first event that we're hosting, and we're so excited and we're so thrilled and grateful that you're here with us. So thank you for watching. Really excited. That's it, you guys. Hooray! Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more fun and excitement during this magical event. I can't wait to get going. There's so many exciting things in store. So many fun things to come. Okay, see you next time. Bye for now.